Sir P, this says something about...
Who is Sir P? I'm on a body.
Okay.
Like a YouTuber.
I don't know him.
Were you concerned about that? Like, you know, you said everything. Like, were you concerned that his thing would ruin your appeal?
No, may I watch you and Naro and Javi because you're not showing a face. One of them I say me I try to kill Popcorn.
Yes.
And me and Popcorn have a laugh about it. Context matters. You always rate Drake over Kendrick. Because all people attack if Drake run on past Freedom Street now. Every song when him sing, we can sing along. Sing along to 10 Kendrick songs. You are an exception to the rule.
Yeah, we're talking about Vybz Kartel and his interview and the fix. You know what I mean? And Iman is a Vybz Kartel fan. Iman no bleach out after 2.
What me say? Oh, this song go, don't bleach. You're black and white. You're a zebra.
You remember that song?
Remember? Yeah, they say, oh, you're black and white and you want a zebra. What the bleaching for?
Yeah.
Vybz Kartel, one of the DJ, the man listen to when I grow up. You see me I deal with born in the 90s, you know. Yeah, and Vybz Kartel and Movado thing.
You see? You are a stupid cat, Gully and Gaza thing. You get it?
And that when I'm going to go to school. You see me I say the influence is upon we strong in my generation. And Gaza we are say as youth and the Gully youth. But whenever they want to harm them, we never...
I'm ever tell people this. Especially ghetto youth, because ghetto where come from. I say, bro, sometimes you think life deal with this hand, but I better I know what they feel. Sometimes I feel this. I'm going to tell you them for protect your life, because if you know you do fuckery, you have to watch yourself. Because you hurt people will come try to hurt you. So you have to watch yourself. That's why I ever tell the youth them, say, bro, school youth them, we're not in on a crime, in on a violence, be a gallus. Left certain things. Because the joys of life bigger than just the instant gratification there. Oh, me a bad man, I just shoot 2 men around the road. What the fuck you talk about? Shoot your thing in a 2 girl belly.
Bad vibe and bad energy, yes. But we never did that. You know.
You are an exception to the rule.
Musical altercation. Just a musical thing where I say we artists, but and you're artists and them thing there. And all after a sudden realize that a different part of the island they take it more serious.
Can't speak to our next man ego. But it was just fun and the fans them love it.
But we did take it serious, you know, because remember say Gaza and Gully did even farm in a school and everything.
That's why me and Movado.
Yeah, people that take it serious, you know.
I mean, me and Vybz, we're not really enemies, you know what I mean? So as I speak, me and Vybz right here. You know what I mean? I never threw a stone off a Vybz before. He never done the same, you know what I mean? So it's just about music, but as we say, we have the fans out there, you know what I mean? And people take it to a different level.
Kartel concurred.
Yeah, well, yeah man, we agree with what Movado said a while ago, and as a matter of fact, we have planned to bring him back now. So in the beginning of our meeting, so is it in the end of the war. So we're coming back with...
Different year, but the same story. Back in 2007, the DJs had called the truce, making many skeptical of their sincerity today. But the government apparently isn't in doubt. As the 2 DJs emerged from their meeting with the ministers and the...
Look how music carried out in a king's house.
So you were surprised even as the whole the effect of it, the way...
Yeah, because we not pre that, remember, we get to youth, we just a pre say, bro, war and the music nice and me and him did that way, I said, bro, and you can, anything you talk to him, you can ask him. But then I said, bro, look how the music bring with that.
The feud between you and Vado.
No, remember when I left Alliance and I start shoot them, lyrical shots, and he was the bravest one. I remember the first man with the shoot off was the next one from center. When they're busy. But there are Mobia one day, remember Mobia my place long time. And some girl I say, the one Movado, him not easy about him at the song boy. But one thing do him brave.
Did that surprise you?
I never forgot. No! It energized me. I say, yes, me have somebody for war with. Because I love war, remember me the War Angel, you know.
Yeah.
Because Bounty Killer grew with. Come on, man, remember Bounty Killer, you know, man. So, I say, yes, I find somebody for war with.
But in the full time I go to school, a guys are where I say, a guys are Vybz Kartel, a Clarks where I beat on my foot.
Clarks.
I like Clark.
Thank you, Javi. Clarks. Oh, you tell me something for free, Javi.
And them things, my pants, them taking and thing. Now what time going to school, them time Vybz Kartel and Movado thing just to come on here right.
I say, me you work as a songwriter, Vybz Kartel a crime fighter. I'm going to start shoot everybody. Come on then. Why me if you want? Look how historic it is.
Yeah.
Me and him forward from the same camp. You know how deep that is? Think about that. You know, that's sinking. Me and Movado will do the biggest clash in the last 20 years. We found out of the same camp.
One alliance.
One alliance.
Yeah.
And I'm glad somebody did do it. Because it met me and Movado. Because remember, you know, me old enough to remember Ninja, Shabba, Ninja, Supercat. They have Bounty, Beanie. They have Kartel, Movado.
Yeah.
And that was such a profound feud that's even now nobody not go around it.
Right.
Yeah, and Vybz Kartel influence never push I man. If you go, take up now.
Are an exception to the rule.
Fire tick and them thing there. Vybz Kartel influence them what make I man want to bleach out himself and look like him and live want to be like him. Just the music I man the love and
Are an exception to the rule.
and we him speak.
Shalawam. Makadai man. Yeah, she's in a plate guy. Well, I know, you know, man, say, oh, pump potato, let's say, your mouth stink like 50 batty. And if you take out the teeth one and brush them, I don't answer. I mean, you answer. You see all and come down.
Versatile and different and just, him just different. Him just have a different vibe to him. Him man named Vybz Kartel. Man just have a different vibe to him. Yeah, and film influence them why make I man go take up no gun or want go shoot nobody or hurt nobody or bleach out or nothing.
Are an exception to the rule.
You see me I say, when a big woman left me, I be honest to you. When I man out I listen to Vybz Kartel when I man the younger and I grew up in I move all the time and a whole clash thing I sting when I man the younger in a them time there and we have a cousin, we are MC. And him always did go around and him always did do him look at stage show about the place and we could get free pass and them thing that. I think I first hear me got sting. When Movado and Kartel they are clash.
Me can't beat you, Mr. No, me can't beat you, Mr. Never. No, listen. The other trick you shorty can't trick me. The son you are man and the soldier man pick me. No. This one me want to nothing. No. Yeah, once up, I'm gonna kill him. I'm a top boss. In my boy for my name, I'm in all look. You are live for my name, I'm in all. She's like girl, what the 4 horses, what the people where you get saved on the bus, 4 more break my back. Look, sing, some boy just shot, come on, give them out that. You can't stop me, look. Me not nothing in favor of no puss, I'm telling you this. You're not nothing in the attack. Everyone in the tongue them, never. Vote more talks them, now look you back, and in the year you are real top at top, now support Addy, and him up, him fuck Jeffrey, straight on shot, why you gonna shame them once you? Look! You know why I'm sent for this, look! Let me tell you, yeah, you are going on. That's fine. Oh, now this like I'm over, I don't come finish that. I'm over, I don't box, the blood is like coffee. Sting level! You know the coffee coming here, but brave. No police, and this year's can't save you. The kill people are in the ship. Don't shut in, you must have to use it. Never. I'm right side, man, I'm level. You and I'm right side, you and I'm spice. You are crushed every side, you are Chris. You have been so fuck with food. You are... Look, let me tell you this, Movado. Me know I'm spicy, you touch at you a shot. Before you can deal around a house back. You want to see the teacher stack up the back of the man. No. Don't buckle that down. All that man never know, sir. When we come to see dead now, blood clot this. Go, sir. And I say no wow. Something on the... Who's the girl? You want your bum buckler. Let me tell you this. You want to be going to anyone. night, infrared for him. She did suffer you, tell the blood clot. Rush on. Me must be gone them anyway. If you got the office, I bullet, I told them over. And this and this. I shot him, I shot. When this squeeze in the left hand here, that one like
as me say, I'm a witness that with me eyeball him live and direct. And them time that grade 11 me in a high school. As me say grade 11, I could go back to school when Vybz Kartel, this and Movado, this and the whole crowd, this and XYZ. I'm on the dead. But the moral of the story, me I show the ones them say, Kartel fan in my younger days coming forward, up as a juvenile, as a youth. You know what I mean? And them influence never make a man want to go shoot nobody or hurt them. Nothing like that.
Paradigm, you know.
Yeah.
Cause you know paradigm shift is not easy.
Yeah.
It's either you leave it alone and the generation will come will change it.
Yeah.
So if you take an artistic person to change it, whether it's a painter, whether it's a musician, whether it's an actor or a specific movie, or it take a special person. So if me decide to do it, it affair come from art.
Yeah.
Or it not gonna work.
So when people come and say, yo, a Vybz Kartel, this and that.
Enforcement from the lawyer side to the police side.
Yeah.
That was always what they said, that you had too much influence that they had to cut down.
Bro, remember me there prison. Me there jail at the time before me see whole heap of people come. Man they charge for rape. Man they charge for triple murder. Man they charge for kill picnic. The one of them get bail. So Kartel couldn't get bail. That was a special about Kartel. It was always about trying to, you know what I mean? Use him as the example. And unfortunately it never worked. Because crime never stops spiral. Because what causes crime really? I couldn't want artists to come from Waterford. Half his socio-economic condition, half his unemployment rates, half his lack of education, lack of opportunity. Come on, man.
The music influential, yes. Now I go lie because of why you them when I grow in my time, they take it on a different level.
Time even before me get locked up. I say, why you don't want me to be a role model? Why a parent or don't want somebody will say will sing Ramping Shop? To be your daughter role model, like your son role model. Not them person there. Because remember, you know, it's always about the impact. See, Bob Marley sing whole heap of culture song, culturally, and them shot him. Them try kill him.
Yeah.
Because him sang them never balance with what the status quo did I deal with. At the time, the status quo did I deal with division. Because when I say Cold War, proxy war a fight.
Yeah.
GLP, PMP. Thank you. Communism against capitalism. Thank you very much.
The negative vibration, the negativity that was always around before, even the music thing, or even the music now played, the negative vibe was always there. The music might just enhance the flavor of the thing, but I know the music influence nothing for make man want to hurt people or rape. Probably the bleaching part and the tattoo part over time, the youth them want to get influential through that. You get to me, I say, well, I man never take it so personal upon a level, just a lyric and the character of the man out, the way man speak and
Straight, me I tell you. But if me rate you, ask TJ when Baby Gardner, first rhythm Baby Gardner bring, I want big fuck with him. I say, baby, no, him done it, bro. Can me rate him? I say, baby, hear me I say, dog. I fuck the man that bring the rhythm and I like you. A Brazilian bring. Him and the Jamaica fans. Go way and forward. I want him forward and bring a different rhythm.
Okay.
I'm walking at the shoulder. Set me free. Gotta run down the Gaza youth.
Wow.
all that change up in style and flow and everything. The man versatile. The man just different. You get to me I say, and even the lock up when man get lock up over time.
In downtown Kingston, as hundreds of Vybz Kartel's fans gathered for a verdict. There was tension, and in Kartel's hometown too, in the Waterford community of Portmore they call Gaza City.
Let me have a cry!
After 1 hour and 53 minutes, the jurors returned with a 10-1 verdict. The verdict coming under 2 hours and divided at the same time, the judge sent them back to reconsider. Later, they would re-emerge, again with a 10-1 verdict. Adidja Palmer, guilty. Sean Campbell, guilty. Kyra Jones, guilty. And Andre St. John, guilty.
Away man a forward from, away man the death, away man
This could, if the Court of Appeal says yes, there's going to be a retrial, this could start all over again from scratch in the Supreme Court, meaning selection of jurors, meaning presentation of the evidence, submissions, everything, everything that's involved in a new trial. So it's not over yet by a long shot. It is obviously a big victory for Kartel and his team because now they have another shot.
Shoot me from now till the morning. Why me if you want?
But we have to wait for the Court of Appeal to see what it is they're going to decide, if they're going to say this needs to go to a retrial or not. If there's no retrial, then they would go free. But
I made them think because January born, you know, and Kartel born January, Kartel born January 7th, I'm born January 23rd. You know what I mean? So
Two of them are January 2, you know.
True.
No, but he's a Capricorn. I'm
Yeah,
a Aquarius. Yeah, 21st.
To January.
To January.
To January. We
just looking in from a distance, you know what I mean, and being a fan, seeing me, and I listen to vibration. And every one of Vybz Kartel sang them, me listen to, I give me a...
all time Bob Marley, Dennis Brown and Gregory Isaac. But my favorite reggae singer alive is Jackie Orr.
Okay.
Many vibes, many different type of Kartel songs did it. You know what I mean, when I was a youth, growing up, and even over time, you know, the flavor start change. Thank you, Jam, wake up this morning, before me start yarning, the Vybz Kartel song the word I'm on love. You see me I say, and even when you come on to a party, dancehall party, when you must say, yo, your brother beg me a light if you have your own lighter. I know our next one say, yo, if nobody loves me, me love money, money love me. Them type of Kartel, we love them, and we have many other ways. One of man them rise up and one of the Kartel songs and play them repeatedly. I have to find it. And just a whole natural vibe. I give thanks and a whole natural vibe. I mean, I tell you, I must feel whole day I have it on loop, on YouTube, I play it over and over again. It's just a vibe when I get from it. Just the energy. You know what I mean? Just give me a boost. We not come for the same thing if you look now. No highlighter, nothing. We not look none of that. It's just an interview or watch, and I know people that say this and that and Kartel way. Yes, Kartel having enough influence for enough female, young female in my time. After we get in, you know what I mean, where the music and the vibe twist and turn up a bit. Yes, but another them man they make people do things and people have their own choice to make we do for them thing, man. Parents have the choice to grow them youth the way they want to grow them on them thing. Yeah, Bob Marley music in child. Peter Touch.
all time Bob Marley, Dennis Brown and Gregory Isaac. But my favorite reggae singer alive is Jackie Orr.
Okay.
All of them are different genre and different time. And them have to know how personal they want it because music can become personal and it can just become a meditation where you just listen to a vibe and the energy where tweet based upon where them did go through or what kind of experience them get. And it can align with you. I probably not align with you, but you get from the beat or from it personal, them take it on a different level. Them go through them stress and them problem and them make the music, them use the music to gas up and light up them problem more. You know, you have different genre of music for many different type of vibe and energy and flow. Whatever mood you know, there's a vibe, there's a music feel. So I just saw the thing work. And you have to just make the right choice when you listen to music. And can't blame all the time the musician them. You have to blame yourself. And you have to make the choice. And you have to grow your youth them and you have control of your surrounding. And an artist. You know what I mean? So just I say no the one them know say, yeah man, Vybz Kartel music, touch I man, but I man never get influence to go hurt people or go bleach out or tattoo up. And many other warriors out there way.
Going to garden. Them love me like Jesus.
Oh yeah, cause you're artist.
You understand? I go to them and town, same thing. And then what me do? Cross West Street and I reach a Matches Lane. Same love. You understand?
Yeah.
And then I go so boom and go up on Cali Smith Drive on Arima. Same love. I'm go so boom and go Rosestown. Same love. Maxfield. Same love. Waltham. Same love. I go so boom and go up Waltham when I reach Bay Farm Road. Waterhouse that. Same love. Boom. Villa. Same love. Riverton Cross Spanish Town Road. Same love. I go so boom boom and reach a Portmore. Same love. We can't do party son. And the whole Jamaica love way. So we could never, you understand?
great Vybz Kartel.
Which are the education side, but we did grow a certain way, so we have the gangster side. So that wasn't me trying to be nothing but me. So the youth them forward, a lot of them just a tribe me or a tribe Vybz Kartel.
Yeah.
And not themselves.
That's why me as a man we are gonna rate a youth like Skilly Bang. Him style and orthodox, but him a him. And when I talk to him, what him say? Even before him say Kartel I'm influenced. Me always say, yo, that youth a body dog. Brick pan brick like what?
Yeah.
You know what I mean?
Do what Vybz Kartel do. You see me? You man, big up the teacher, man. And big up the Gaza Nation. Like and subscribe if you're new.
Brick pan brick like.
It's
all right, take up your cup real quick. Cheers to bad mind. They make us stronger.
Cheers to them for
They make us stronger.
They give us strength.